Good morning, students. My name is Mohammad Shafiullah. I am your mathematics teacher. I hope you are all safe at your home, and I hope all the assignment questions what we are giving and you are all doing every day. And I want to tell you one thing, that what and all we are writing out here, you have to take a separate notes and you as a maths notes, and you have to start writing all the things what we are giving every day. Once the school gets reopened, we are going to check everything what you have written. What you have to do, it is compulsory. You have to make separate notes and you have to write what and all the things we are giving every day, and it will make you easy to study for the RT or for the assessment test. Okay? Yes. So, in the previous class, we have studied about what? Numbers, counting numbers, arranging the numbers in ascending order as well as descending order, and writing the number names, right? Yes. We'll have a quick glance what and all we have studied. We have studied about the place value system. What is place value system? It is the system that represents the value of a number in the format of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. And the face value system represents the number itself. The face value of 1 is 1, the face value of 2 is 2, and the face value of 3 is 3. And to the next, we have studied about what? What we have studied? We have studied writing into the number names, right? Yes. So, in today's class, we are going to study further classification of number system. So, number system is categorized or it is classified into two types. First, Indian number system as well as international number system. Till now, till to the 4th standard, you have studied only the Indian number system. Now, from the 5th standard, you are going to deal or you are going to study international number system. So, students, how many number systems do we have? We have two types of number systems in your textbook for your 5th standard syllabus. Yes, which are all those? Indian number system as well as international number system. So, we'll study, we'll discuss deeply what is Indian number system and what is international system, and at the same time you can see the difference between them. And I am sure that you know the Indian number system very well. We'll see this. Indian number system can be in the format of like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It goes on continuing. Okay. Next, when compared to international number system, there are some differences. For some numbers it is same, but for some numbers it is little different. There is a slight changes you have to notice here. Okay, yes. So for ones it is ones itself, for tens it is tens itself. It is 10, the same. There is no changes for 1, for 10. For 100 also it is same. Okay, for 100 as well as for the 1000 it is also same. Till 1000 it is same. What? For ones it is ones, for tens it is tens, for 100 it is 100, for 1000 it is 1000. Now the difference is from 10,000. In Indian number system, we are going to write it what? 10,000. But in international number system, we are going to write again the same thing as 10,000 itself. So till here it is same. Okay? Till here it is same. Now in Indian number system, after 10,000, we are going to write it as what? Lakh. What we are going to write? Lakh. But in international number system, we are going to write 100,000. How you know? Like 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1000, see 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 in Indian number system, it is what? It is lakh. Okay, this is very important. Next, after lakh it is 10 lakh in Indian number system. In Indian number system, after lakh we have what? 10 lakh. Now, in the same time, in the international number system, we'll call this 10 lakh in the form of million. What we'll call? Million. Okay? Million. See? Thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. For 10 lakh, we'll call as million. So, next, after 10 lakh, in Indian number system, we are going to write crore. Okay? Crore. After 10 lakh, it is what? Crore. At the same time, in the Indian international number system, we are going to write crore as 10 million. What we are going to write? We are going to write it as what? 10 million. So it goes on continuing. See, like million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. What we will get now? Next, billion. After 100, you will get billion. So at the same time, 1 billion, 10 million, 100 billion. Okay, like this. So these are all the numbers that you can see the difference in the Indian number system as well as in the international number system. Students, it is very, very important. We'll have a quick glance what we have studied in this class. So we have studied the categorized or the types of number system. We have two types. First, Indian number system. Second, international number system. Indian number system, you know it very well. Okay, so it comes in the form of ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. International number system, it comes in the form of ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. It goes on continuing. Okay, so students, what you have to do, you have to make a column in your notes and you have to, like this, you just make a column. Okay, you just make a column like this and start writing out the difference. Or you can just write the line here in between and you can write the difference between the Indian number system as well as the international number system. I hope you have understood today's session. We'll continue the next class. Till then, take